Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make these extremely tasty, crispy tofu tacos. They're super easy to make and they're topped off with a really scrumptious and creamy avocado and cashew dressing. So the first thing that we need to do with our foam tofu is get rid of any excess liquid. I simply do this by patting it dry with a paper towel. Once we've removed the excess liquid, we're just going to slice the tofu up into small cubes. Next, we're going to season the tofu, and I'm going to use chipotle seasoning. Adding the tofu and the seasoning to a bowl, we're just going to run that through with our fingers to make sure that the tofu is well coated. To that, we're then going to add in the corn flour. Again, just mixing it through with our fingers until it's well coated. We're then going to pop our tofu onto a tray that's been lined with some baking paper. Just spreading it out so that the pieces are evenly spread. We're then going to pop that into the oven for about 20 minutes, making sure to turn after 10. To make the dressing into a food processor, we're going to add in the cashews and blitz until nice and fine. To that, we're then going to add in the avocado, the lemon juice, and some cracked pepper. And give that a good blitz until everything is well combined and the mixture is nice and creamy. Once the tofu is out of the oven, it's time to build our tacos. To a warm tortilla, I'm just going to spread out some of our avocado dressing. Add on some lettuce, some coleslaw mix, some tomatoes, then we're going to add on the crispy tofu, and drizzle over some more of that avocado dressing. Now this is completely optional, but I like to top it off with just a little bit of hot sauce. And then they're ready to tuck on in. Yum! These are just so good, a really great combination of flavors. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, making sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!